Alright. Bought the camper yesterday. Actually bought two. See the other one back there? I decided that's too big. So this is the winter camper. Fits in the back of the truck, which is still at the shop, burnt. But we'll come together next 2 weeks. Here it is. As you can see, we got some damage. Old rot, normal older campers. It's a Lance 83, cab over, pulling this apart. Gonna repair that today. Well, this week. And the inside. I just pulled the stove out. You can see here's where the couch is. Or goes, I should say. Storage. Bed on the top. And I just pulled this out. That was the stove. Here is the bathroom and shower. Hey, how's it going? Conveniently all in one. Stove. That'll be cleaned up. Refrigerator. Got some roof issues I'm gonna work on. You're up. That's about it. Give me a couple weeks and I'll show you what we got.